Hello everyone, I'm Louis at Wayme Smart Vending. If you are looking for a smart vending machine for selling some small items like vapes, cigarettes, so I'm going to introduce you this new model.
This is a slim design floor standing model with a 22-inch touchscreen, card reader, and age checker. The 5 floors of goods trays. Each tray has 3 slots. Here is the sliding plate. When the product drops here, it will be delivered to the pickup point. Touch to buy. I have to do age verification. Age verification success. Now I can select product.
Please present your card or your mobile phone authorizing. Thank you.
Now I can get the product here.
If you want to know more information, welcome to contact us.